Perfectly Poached, a micro-story written and read by Lisa Redfern. Stewed in mineral-rich liquid, surrounded by constant heat, the offspring moved. Connected to siblings, the mass swayed in time with subaquatic currents. The male, possibly the father, spotted the motion. Straightening angled legs, he crept close, stalking, cautiously watching. Uncomfortable in confinement, the young stretched. Surging with lightning speed, the adult tasted satisfaction. He checked his surroundings. Distraction can be perilous. Taking the opportunity, he feasted. When he left, a few offspring remained. The female returned. She registered the theft immediately. These things happen. Inspecting what remained, she knew she still had a job to do. The Perfectly Poached microstory was written in conjunction with a blog post. While I'm not an advocate of eating reptile or amphibian eggs, I do enjoy experimenting with alternate word meanings. If you enjoyed Perfectly Poached, come check out my website. You'll find more short stories and books. Thanks for listening.